What is up, guys? We got a really busy Saturday today. We are not actually working on the GTI. I was hoping to do some today, but that's fine. We got several different projects. Got Marlin's Cobalt there. It's making a noise, so we're gonna check that out. Got Derek's Rabbit here. So right now we're working on Elias's car. We're putting a new clutch in it, so just got everything ripped apart right here. Yeah, I think it needed a new clutch. A little bit wore down right there. That's nasty. So, yeah, that clutch wasn't doing too much anymore. It's got ripped apart. That actually looks really dry. A little bit there. A little bit. Well, so I'm learning exactly why I don't like these cars because, yeah, let's just say the engineers that built these cars weren't exactly the brightest. But, yep. Buy a Volkswagen, fix all your life problems right there. But everything's looking good, so gonna go get the flywheel resurfaced here, and we'll catch you guys later and hopefully get this thing back together today. That's right, gotta go run a quick errand, so gotta take the old trusty 7.3. Out here in the shop, we ran into a few problems, had to run for some parts which they didn't have, so yeah, having some problems. First off, the rear main seal right here, there was a little bit of oil in there, and we don't have a new rear main seal, so we ordered one in. It should be in Monday, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit for that. So sadly, we're gonna have to put the wheels back on and just roll it out. It's not gonna run today, so that kind of sucks. Also, speedometer sensor goes in here, and somehow we missed unhooking that and we broke it, so also had to order that. Not exactly fun times, but so yeah, we'll get this cleaned up here, and then we'll get Marlin's Cobalt in here, check that out, and hopefully get to work on the GTI a little bit later. Also, I had to quick show you guys, I thought you guys would like this, the most redneck way ever to hold your engine up, which actually worked pretty legit. Making us do all the work.
So I ain't got no battery in here.
Not gonna work good. I'm just going up there.
Oh, it's nice.
Well, guys, amateur mistake right here. Went to roll up the windows, and it does not work too good when you don't have a battery.
Where are you flipping cables? Oh, there. Where's the other one?
Around.
I wouldn't worry about it.
Around where? Oh, we're kind of gonna need it, bud.
Yeah, we might need it.
Oh, there it is. Now roll them up.
Oh, lights are on too. Wow.
I tell you what.
Whew.
Hello.
What is going on up here?
Alright, peace out.
Bye. It's really weird. The noise is on the left front side there, and it also gets worse as it warms up, which is really odd. So put it up on a lift here, wiggle some things, and see what we can figure out.
There's the engine. It's not done.
Well, I guess we figured out the problem. Went here and checked out the axle nut, and it was hand tight, so that's not good. But hopefully that was the noise. So tighten this all up and drive it again. We'll see what happens. Bunkhouse burgers for the win.
Yeah.
Yeah, those control arm bushings are a little shot.
Listen up, kids. This is why you never buy a Cobalt. Don't do it.
Looks like we got problems fixed, but there's still more problems, so I guess we're gonna check that out. It seems like, that's right. It seems like something's wrong with the steering rack that's kind of clunking in there, so. Yep. So, hey, check that out. We'll let you guys know if we get that figured out. But, now, finish a quick drive, and we'll go back and finally get to work on the Mark 1 GTI. Yeah. People. Ugh. Everywhere. So, we're back here in the GTI. Right now, we're going to try and fix these shifter bushings because, like, you literally can't even tell what gear you're in. You're just swimming through there. So, we'll see if we can figure this out. Somewhere around this place we have them. I don't know where. Alright, so we're trying to figure out these bushings here. Up in there, I did replace the bushing right inside there. Over here, this is the part that's messed up the worst. So I'm trying to figure it out because you can just see it is just super floppy, and that's what we're feeling in the shifter. It looks like there's supposed to be a bushing here and up here, but all of this is one piece here. So I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong or how I'm supposed to do that. So I'm not sure how to get the bushing on there. So I'm gonna need to do some research so I can figure out how to do that. So I'm gonna leave those bushings for another time because I'm not really sure what I'm doing. So I'm gonna have to ask some people for help. I really need to get a service or repair manual. So I'll get that now, help me out. But Burn All the MK1s on Facebook has been a huge help. They also helped me figure out this tach here, which I mentioned that the tachometer isn't working. So how it works is right here on the coil pack, you got this red and black wire coming on the negative side here, which sends the signal to the tach. Okay, so if we go here to the plug, you can see it comes in here at number 5. So at number 5, it's that same red and black wire. And we tested it. It seems like the wire's connected okay. It's getting the signal okay. So I actually ended up just getting this aftermarket pack, which I'll show you guys right here. So we're gonna try out this $15 tack from Walmart, which, hey, we'll see how that works. So all I should have to do is just tap into those wires here, get it power. It has the lights. I don't know if I'm gonna worry about that. new clusters for these. I don't know, I was looking around like 150. So this is a way that I can easily just get that working here soon, because I really want to get the car back together here, and something I can worry about later. Then I'll just, yeah, it's really easy. I can just tap right into that. So I'm gonna hook this up, and hopefully we'll see if the tack works. Hopefully the problem actually was the tack, like that in the instrument cluster. I'm really sure that's what it is. So I just want to find out for sure. We'll see if we can get this working. We'll see what's up, and that way next time I work on it, I can stick the interior back in, which will be awesome. Looks like it's working great. Walmart tachometers are awesome. Okay. It is working really good. It's a little bit laggy, but it's gonna work awesome now that I can actually tell what the engine's doing. So I'm super excited about that. Next time we can actually start putting in the interior, so hopefully you'll see that in about a week. Catch you guys later for more Mark 1.